be. Hi. Party girl, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, I push it down. See, I'm the one for a good time, call phones blowing up. They're ringing my doorbell. I feel the love, I feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Going back till I lose count. I wanna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. I'm gonna fly like a bird all the night, feel my tears as I dry, and I wanna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. But I'm holding on for dear life, won't look down, won't open my eyes, keep my glass full until morning light, 'cause I'm just holding on for the night. Help me, I'm holding on for dear life, won't look down, won't open my eyes, keep my glass full until morning light, 'cause I'm just holding on for the night, yeah, on for the night, yeah. Sun is up, I'm a mess, gotta get out now, gotta run from this. Here comes the shame, here comes the shame. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. Going back till I lose count. I wanna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist. I'm gonna fly like a bird all the night, feel my tears as I dry. I wanna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. But I'm holding on for dear life, won't look down, won't open my eyes, keep my glass full until morning light, 'cause I'm just holding on for the night, yeah. Help me, I'm holding on for dear life, won't look down, won't open my eyes, keep my glass full until morning light, 'cause I'm just holding on for the night, yeah, on for the night, yeah, on for the night, yeah, I'm just holding on for the night, I'm just holding on for the night, on for the night, on for the night, yeah, I'm just holding on for the night, yeah, I'm just holding on for the night, I'm just holding on for the night, on for the night, on for the night.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna do a little split ski. It's tricky business. Privacy. Okay, I think we've got another one now. I've forgotten what it is, but the song will tell me when it starts playing. Elastic Heart.
And another one bites the dust. Oh, why can I not conquer love? And I might have got to do the work. Wanted to fight this war without weapons. And I wanted it bad. But there were so many red flags. Now another
Thanks, you guys. I'm a bit puffed out after that one. Thank you. I'm very happy you're all here. I haven't played for a proper audience in a while. It's nice. Yay! Thank you. Thanks! Okay. I was born in a Sunday school. I grew up overnight. I played alone, I played on my own, but I survived. I don't get tickets in a place where all the demons go. But I will change it, and the ground could ever grow. Just last night I had to cry and you were better. I survived. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I found solace in a stranger's way, way in the back of my mind. Yeah, I found my love in a stranger's way. Yeah, it was mine. I don't get to the place where all the demons go. But I don't change it, nothing in the ground can never grow. No, just like you had to cry and you were better. I survived. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. You took it off, but I'm still breathing. 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 I need every single day that you could ever possibly make. I took what you get. You never noticed that I was in pain. I knew what I wanted, I went out and got it. Did all the things that you said that I wouldn't. Took you good, I would never be forgotten. I know it's fine. But I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm alive. I'm still breathing. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm Thank you. I'm smiling a lot. I wanted you to know that. All right, we're going to do one more now. I think I can do it.
Clipped wings, I was a broken thing. Had a voice, but I could not sing. You would wear me down. I struggled on the ground. Oh, so I lost the line. Have been crossed. Had a voice, but I could not talk. You held me down. I struggle to fly now. Oh, but there's a scream inside that we are tried out. Cause we hold on so tight, we cannot deny it's us alive. Oh, it's us alive. Oh, there's a scream inside that we are tried out. We hold on so tight, but I don't wanna die, no. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die. Yeah. I don't care if I sing or bleed. I found myself in my melodies. I sing for love, I sing for me. I shout it out like a bird that free. Well, I don't care if I sing or bleed. I found myself in my melodies. I sing for love, I sing for me. I shout it out like a bird that free. Oh, 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 I shout it out like a bird that free. Oh, 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 I shout it out like a bird that free. Now I fly at the high notes. I have a voice, hear me roar tonight. You held me down, but I fall back loud. Oh, yes, there's a scream inside that we are tried out. Yes, we hold on so tight, but we cannot deny it's us alive. Oh, and it's us alive. Oh, yes, there's a scream inside that we are tried out. Yes, we hold on so tight, but I don't wanna die, no. I don't wanna die, I don't wanna die. Yeah. I don't care if I sing or bleed. I found myself in my melodies. I sing for love, I sing for me. I shout it out like a bird that free. No, I don't care if I sing or bleed. I found myself in my melodies. I sing for love, I sing for me. I shout it out like a bird that free. Oh, 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 I shout it out like a bird that free. Oh, oh, no, I shout it out like a bird that free. Oh, oh, I shout it out like a bird that free. Oh, I shout it out like a bird that free. I shout it out like a bird that free. Thank you so much.
Hold on, I'm tangled. One more time for Sia.
Smiling.
Thank you again, by the way. This is such an amazing opportunity to see you up close and, like I said, worldwide for everybody watching
Thank you.
right now. Let's talk for a few minutes about
Okay.
This is acting.
Yeah.
We're very excited to hear it. And I'm wondering if you could tell us a little bit about it and maybe some of the insight on people who passed on some of the songs.
Oh,
and
sure.
Are you secretly happy that they did? Because now you get to sing them
This
for your
last
own.
one I am secretly happy. I had seller's remorse when I first gave it away to Rihanna, and then she gave it back to me, and then I gave it away to Adele, and then she gave it back to me. And I was every time I gave it away, I felt a little bit of grief. So it was I'm really glad that I got
You're
to
like, I
sing
could take a
this
hint.
one.
It's meant for you.
Yeah,
Right?
I was listening.
Now, we expect when we see you to perform live, and I know you said this has been your first show you did in a while. Everybody knows you're always going to have a perfect hair day with this.
So perfect, it's crazy.
I'm jealous. Do you think there's ever going to be a time when you will...
Show my face?
Yes.
Well, yeah, maybe if it gets like, it's pointless, you know? But right now it's sort of helping me. It's sort of helping me. I can still go to, you know, Walmart or if I need to, or Whole Foods or whatever. And like, you know, and I can pick up stuff and I can sit at the farmer's market, and like paparazzi generally don't follow me unless I go to a place where that's where they are, you know, that kind of thing. And I don't go to those places. So for now, it seems to be working. And if it continues to help me to have a regular life, then I'll keep doing it. But yeah.
No, it totally makes sense.
Yeah, I love singing and I love you guys. I just really find it tough to, like the idea of being followed all the time by paparazzi and stuff, scary.
I wanted to ask you too on that note, have you ever, or maybe you could tell me your craziest like celebrity encounter of someone who meets you and then they have this expectation of you, and then like either with or without this?
Like, have I met anyone who expected me to be
that they're like, oh, you're not what I expected, or they want to see under, or
oh, fascinating. They want to see under. Everybody wants to see under.
Like, I can see Kanye West being like, hey.
Yo, hey. Well, the thing is most people I walk into the studio, I'm not wearing this.
Right. No,
I'm like in my
award
pajamas
shows and
normally.
things like that, you know.
Yeah, I don't really I don't think I've had, I mean... Nah, I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm a fail at this question.
Oh, it's okay. It was just something I was curious about.
Sorry, babe.
No, and you were talking about how you don't go to places where the paparazzi are. Like around here in LA, obviously don't get specific.
West Hollywood.
Right.
That's all.
Yeah, it's hard to blend in there because everybody would be like, hey.
Yeah.
What kind of places and things do you like to do around LA?
Oh, like I like to go to farmers markets. I like to, I mean, I'm such a dork. I'm like in the program, I go to meetings. Like, I'm just like, I guess, go out to dinner, and it's just at regular places.
Well, I want to ask you specifics, but then I know people will show up there. You know, like, hey, what's your favorite restaurant? Then all of a sudden there's 300 people there. So is touring anything that we could talk about in the future, or is it something that you're kind of like... Is it hard to do this? Like, walk out there to lead you?
I mean, no, it's actually easier because I actually get distracted and I normally forget the words if I make eye contact with someone in the audience. So for me, it's way easier because otherwise I like make eye contact with them and I'm like, I wonder what you do. What are you thinking? Where do you come from? What do you love? And then I'm like, oops, and I've like completely forgotten to sing, and I've missed like 2 sentences, and then I have to stop and go back. So this actually makes things easier for nerves and stuff too, as well, and also just my own personal curiosity about you guys. And so it makes it easier, but I think I'm going to do something interesting for like a couple of festivals next year, and I don't think I'm allowed to say yet, but I'm going to do something for a couple of festivals, and then that may inspire me to do a short tour next August or something.
That would be awesome, for sure. Well, we're excited again about This Is Acting. I need to make sure that I say, I know everyone here and everyone watching, the performance will be on loop for 24 hours at ampradio.com, so you can watch it over and over.
Oh, geez.
Get their whole feel, yeah.
Don't go crazy, guys.
But thank you again. Like I said, I know it's kind of a once-in-a-lifetime shot for your fans, especially here at the Rebel Sound Space.
I'm smiling under here. I'm smiling a lot.
So thank you guys for being here. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Sia, ladies and gentlemen. Flowers.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, my God. Thank you. That's so sweet. Oh, you're nice. Well, when they turn the cameras off, I'll take my hat off and wave goodbye.
Oh, okay. And scene. All right.